I think we've just about got all the drywall finished up. Overall it's coming out pretty good. We're going to be doing the painting. Hi everyone, welcome back, and we're back over at the $5,000 house, and today we're finishing up the drywall, finishing up sanding. Gonna put a little paint on the walls today. Probably not gonna get a bunch of it on, but we're gonna get some of it on. The drywall is all hung, as you saw in the last video. It's been a few weeks since I did an update, but you can see we've got the drywall pretty well finished, and we're ready to move along and start getting some paint on the wall. So I'm not going to bore you with painting, because you know, who wants to watch paint dry? I mean, it's it's boring enough, right, putting paint on. But we're going to show you basically the color scheme that we're going to be doing, so you'll get to see that anyway. And well, I'm not going to bore you with keeping on talking, but we're going to show you what we're doing here with the paint, and maybe a few other things, but it just depends on how things go for the rest of the day. All right, as you can see, we've been working on the drywall. We've got everything bedded out. Everything's not sanded, but it's getting there. We've got most of the stuff second coated. This room here in particular, it's a master bedroom. It's only got one coat. You can see up here, this is still wet. It's gonna have to dry. All of our corners are gonna have to have a second coat to get those right. The master bath is done. Let me see if I can get in here and get a decent picture of that. Master bath has been second coated. We've got to come back and sand it out and get it ready for paint. But it's coming along pretty good. It's just tiring. It's a lot of tedious work. It's one of the few things that I'm not real happy with doing, but it needs to be done just like everything else. But I am beat. I'm about ready for the drywall to be done with. You can see here, it's still wet. We're gonna have to come back and skim it again just to get a good finish and sand it out. But overall it's coming out pretty good. We're gonna be doing the painting probably, well, in a little bit. You'll see a few minutes for you. And now, through the magic of video editing, what we have here is we have some paint on the walls. We haven't got the ceilings up yet, or paint on the ceilings yet. See if I can get a little better light. Lighting really sucks, but you can see paint is on the walls, or it's getting on the walls. Typical paint that I usually choose is called a Navajo white satin finish, and just get it at Lowe's. It's, you know, standard off the shelf paint, but it's relatively inexpensive, and it covers well, and well, it's a nice finish, and it's a neutral color, so don't have a lot of issue with, you know, people renting and not being able to say, hey, I don't like the ugly colors or whatever. So anyway, so this is what we're doing. We're going to do a flat white on the ceiling, basic flat white, and we'll get that started here probably in a little bit, but I'm not going to bore you too much. And anyway, maybe we'll do some more magic video editing and you'll see some more painting done.